Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play your games offline in Steam. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Steam, and up at the top left hand corner you're going to see in the main menu where it says Steam, and if you select that, then you're going to see the option to go offline just a few options down. We're going to go ahead and click that now. And you can see now that we are in offline mode. Certain games may be unavailable when you are offline, so it's really just a matter of going through and seeing which ones may be restricted, and it could be that they're restricted because of a subscription or something of the sort. Generally speaking, you need to actually own the game in order to be able to play it in offline mode. That's pretty much all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.